In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to Unreal Engine 5. Let's get straight into it. First, open your Unreal Engine project so you're inside the editor. Along the bottom of the window, look for the Content drawer. This is the panel where all your project's assets live, and it's the place where new files will show up after you bring them in. Inside the Content drawer, click Add. In that menu, choose Import to Current Folder. This tells Unreal to bring the file directly into whichever folder you're currently viewing, which helps keep things tidy and predictable. A file browser will open. Navigate to the font you downloaded on your computer. Fonts typically come as .dtf or .otf files. Make sure you're selecting the actual font file rather than a compressed archive. Unreal needs the font itself to import properly. It's also a good idea to ensure you have the rights to use the font in your project, especially if you'll distribute your game. Once you've selected the font file, click Open. Unreal will process the file and create a font asset in the folder you targeted. You should see it appear immediately in the Content drawer, ready to be referenced anywhere you need text. At this point, a pop-up may appear asking if you want the uploaded font to be the default font for the project. Choose Yes if you want this font to become the standard for new text elements moving forward. Choose No if you prefer to keep your current default and only use the new font in specific places. Don't stress too much about this choice. You can change the default later in project settings if your art direction evolves. That's the entire import process. To recap the logic, you open the project, access the Content drawer, use Add, import right into the current folder, select your .ttf or .otf file, and confirm the default font prompt based on your needs. After import, the asset is available in your content library. If you ever don't see it, double-check you're viewing the same folder you imported into. Keeping your assets well organized will save time later when hooking up UI or text elements. And that's how to add fonts to Unreal Engine 5 quickly and correctly.